Hello everyone, and welcome to Tech of the Week. As expected, the NVIDIA 3070 Ti sold out within minutes of its release on June 10th. Here's hoping these scalpers stop, but the only way to encourage them is to not purchase what they're selling. Say hello to Airpeak S1, Sony's first drone. It has some competitive features such as reaching 55 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds and impressive wind resistance. Unfortunately, these come at a premium of $9,000 plus the prices of a camera and gimbal that are not included. This is a self-driving bicycle. It solves one of the biggest problems of typical motorized bikes. It can stand on its own. Now you can have a Halloween setup topped with this. This is the Tesla Model S Plaid, the new, quote, quickest production vehicle ever made. It can go 0 to 60 in under 2 seconds. On top of that, it has an estimated 390 miles of range on one full charge. The Model S Plaid infotainment system is claimed to be able to run AAA games at 60 frames per second, although this will need to be tested by reviewers. In light of this news, on June 6, Tesla canceled the Model S Plaid Plus, which was supposed to be even faster. The reason is that the regular Plaid model is good enough. Another Elon Musk business, SpaceX is working with airline companies to provide Wi-Fi in planes. This would greatly expand the company's reach toward making Wi-Fi connectivity more accessible, as it has thus far only worked with rural communities. If you own an Amazon smart device, such as the Echo Smart Speaker or Ring doorbell, it's being used to share your internet connection. It's not malicious. It's used to make a mesh network for all Amazon devices in your neighborhood to always work, called Amazon Sidewalk. If you'd like to opt out of this program, check the article in the description. Samsung showed off its new Stretchable OLED screen technology and a heart rate monitor on June 7th. The company says it works like rubber, you can stretch it in any direction. This is really cool tech. We'll see where this goes in the future. This week with WWDC was packed with Apple news. Here are some of the best. Say hello to iOS 15. Along with it, new maps and Safari redesign, a text converter with the iPhone camera, FaceTime receiving Discord-like features such as screen sharing, and so much more. In terms of devices, there was a rumored M1X MacBook that was expected to be announced, but that has yet to have any official statements. Seems like we'll need to wait a little longer for that. For the rumor of the week, Facebook appears to be developing its own smartwatch, with intentions to release it next summer. It could potentially have 2 cameras, one for calls and the other for video capture. It might also have a heart rate monitor to boot. Thanks for watching. If you'd like any tech covered, contact me via this email. All the sources are linked down below, and check out the other cool videos that I have in the description. Have a wonderful day.